I took the 2019 licensure prep course so that I could get all the knowledge and everything that I needed to know to get ready for the LICSW exam. And then I actually did take a different prep course to prepare for my LMSW exam. They covered a lot of different learning styles. So, they had the visual aspect with your own workbook and writing on the board. They had the person talking, you were with other peers and you could kind of collaborate and talk with them on different questions if you were working together or thinking through an exam question together. So I think overall it was a really great experience. And then, you have that workbook to take home with you to keep practicing and keep working on it. So one of the biggest things that the workshop taught me that was very helpful to me was it taught me how to actually answer the exam questions. So a lot of times as social workers, we get caught up in our specific niche and how we would deal with a specific situation in regards to our agency procedure, but the workshop really helped to kind of clear your head and kind of go over the basic general rules and regulations of social work practice and how to answer the question from there. And then also another helpful thing was that it kind of went through a pie graph of what sorts of topics they would cover in the exam, and based on how often that topic occurred in the exam, how deeply you should study it to prepare for the exam. Part of becoming an LICSW is that you're able to take on more supervisory and directory roles. And so if a person hasn't been in those positions yet, there's a lot to learn there. And also, if you are in one of those positions, you might refer back to what your agency wants you to do or your higher ups tell you to do. And so the workshop was really helpful in kind of clarifying that and going back to the general foundations of what you need to do as a supervisor. Another topic that makes me think of is ethics and also crisis situations. A lot of times our agency procedure or your niche will kind of direct that for you, and you kind of forget to use your social work skills because you're kind of just following the procedure set for you. And so that workshop helped to kind of clarify and sharpen those skills too. For upcoming social workers, the best thing you can do for your future, the best way to invest in your future is to take this workshop so that you can pass your licensure on the first go and get ready to do the work that you've gone to school to do. I'm really glad I took it, and I think it did help me more than it would have if I just had taken the test by itself without a workshop in advance.